get the bag and fumble it. You 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 get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight up a lot.
What's up, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl D Galore, and I'm back at it again with another video. First and foremost, like I always do, welcome to my new subscribers. You joined the right channel. And as always, what's up to my A1 since day one loyal subscribers? Welcome back. So you already know from the title, we're doing a wig review. And it's another Amazon wig, but this time it's from Beauty Forever. And the reason why I am so hype about this is because I have another wig from Beauty Forever. I did a wig review, unboxing, and all that other stuff like months ago, so I'm gonna link the video down below. But this time I didn't get the wig from AliExpress, I got it from Amazon, so I'm happy. And it's colored too, so I'm just ready. So yes, we have the box, and in the box is the wig, obviously. So has the wig, and then I believe that this is like the wig lay-in, the wig mechanism thing, like the wig laying satin thing to make sure the lace is good, you know, that. And then a wig cap that is obviously not my skin tone, but it matches my hat though. It's the color 12, and I believe I either got 22 inches or 24 inches. I cannot remember, but I'm gonna put everything in the video right here and in the description box just to let y'all know. So let's get to the juicy details. Okay, so I got this color because I wanted something different, and right off the bat, wow, okay, well, right off the bat, it's soft and flowing. It has that like factory hair smell. I didn't realize that I got a closure. I didn't read, but it's okay because we gonna make it work. I'm gonna do a little plucking. I gotta bleach the knots because you can obviously see the knots. But yeah, here it is right here. And then the lace. So yeah, we finna get to it. Right here, I'm just showing y'all what the wig looks like on the inside. As you can see, there's not that much lace. And I just want to show you how the wig was made because because it has adjustable straps, when I tried to do it, it just looked lumpy on the middle of my head, so.
Usually come from your inner circle or lack thereof, and I don't know. I can trust. I've been dropping out and I've been hanging out with my high friends, and we too stoned to pay attention. I mean, really, it's same me, it's old me, you know, same shit. I've been on a low key grinding, learning on that low key shining, trying to keep to myself. But you bring me out of character every time again. Damn Gina, the
following Thursday.
So these are my coils. These are my curls after a day, 24 hours. So I curled them. I curled my hair yesterday, obviously, 24 hours. And I literally just put my hair in a bonnet. I didn't put it up, wrap it, nothing. I just stuffed it in the bonnet, woke up. And they were actually like just a little bit curlier this morning when I took the bonnet off. But like, bro, still bouncy, still soft, like the curls bouncing back. Bro, this is some decent hair.
Like it when I be aggressive.
You get the bag and formula. 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 I get